I talk about how you can make money from Rumble and the eligibility and the verification process. So, and then I mentioned to you guys that I will make another video regarding another way to make money from Rumble without having to post any video. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go ahead to my channel. You see a video where I talk about Rumble and everything regarding it. This is the video right here. You see the truth about making money on Rumble. So once you have a good understanding about it, and then you listen to this or watch this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about another different way to make money from Rumble without having to make a video or post video. So let's move to our dashboard. For some of you who would not like to go and watch that other video, let me tell you what Rumble is all about. So Rumble is like YouTube, but not on the scale of YouTube. So you can post video and make money from the video you posted. And the requirement is not as strict or extreme as YouTube. You just need 100 followers and you can start making money from Rumble videos. So let's go ahead and see the second way you can make money from Rumble. So now what I want you to do is you create an account using the link in the description of this video, and then you go ahead to where it says earn right here and click on it. You have transaction, payment, and referrals. Click on referrals. So now this is the other way to make money on Rumble without having to paste. Whenever you introduce person or whenever a person register on Rumble using your link, you earn a certain amount of income. So this is my link here, and then whenever somebody register or whenever somebody click on this link, it will show right here register per page impression. And then whenever person actually registered, you see it here and referrals. So what is the difference between this one? Yes, when this first one is when a person click on your link, whether the person register or not. Whenever a person click on the link, it will show right here. And why here is whenever a person has fully registered using your link. So now what you'll be asking is how much you can earn per person or so on and so forth. Let me know if you want me to make another video regarding that and the amount you earn per person, and make sure you use my link in the description to register, and then I'll make another video regarding it depending on how this video performs. So that's all I'm gonna talk about, and don't forget to subscribe, and then that's all.